Fáilte hiig na seansalaithe mas maidir seansa bhlaciad na seansalaithe. Is me sé Hugh McGill cheada agus tá marráis a ríis chuirtní me sibh go mór. I was like, you'd must wait you níl atbhí agam le rantal hiag dingiar an Idirlín agus le, ma dodgy shave a hispant in the Spotify app da Áine eile le feicáil. Tá ma an seo mar is gra le mo chuid cólaci le muid cairde ar dúspáir anywhere. Áine, go dtí mar tusa cos bhí tusa chin couple seachtain hun agus sinna fáil go rá an canál saspa go lacu.
I know, for my COVID a reach. Should have triú earned.
Embarrassing.
Tasha Nara, like Nisha Core, goodbye, mar much a kind for shows that are also much. Nor Hugh COVID la Jenny as ni Rocha Chen a curve. For Misha COVID, agus you mamaru sanabi, you were able to bugoof when you couple lot, you were able to and phodchraoladh show happened. So ni listen could you continue with us for Hugh lashes now Misha.
Hey, bhí seo ách dús sa fásta níor an dó letter B fi just to gimmer PlayStation an tamar fad. Ma ho brónach, bhí brón arm and come on. Because thing bhíonn sin le sympathy a bhí hortu, so bhí seo.
Ní dóil am go sympathy daoine dis go fáil.
Wow, okay, sorry. Just because called aid artsa, because the me super slantial. It can't be super slantial. Tá man seo fásta le James ó Fláirte. James, go dtimar táú?
Yeah, go má ní bhfuairm se COVID go hat-trick fós. Ní bhfuairm ach ní se fáteach uairháin díomh mo héal, so sin brásásta lei sin. Yeah, tá má gléiste i mó cinnaín festas oibre, tá má cinnaín brandú cinnaín smart, méall dúirlumm go bhrealma cos le duine cíns a bhí takeíach ó rave mars undúil YouTube. So dus na so ní mar chééis tadaíon inis le míanús ach moisturize an choliche agus bheith gléiste níos fearr. So tásúlam nach chóir cumar in nocht cos a go takeíach as rave. So chuí tá mis sem hó am just cinnaín insecure.
Leor much we sure and what could you go go fun. Okay. So she didn't go doing show really to me. And Carty just a trácht a leo mark homeland. Yes, co-runner.
To my Hugh catch up just completely off guard.
Oh, completely. I literally remember Glon Germalition. I guess like obviously you cancelling ribbon pod is to cancelling the better like few quick like trial woman or whatever. Gone actual end half of the end and it never at the second it was like to my bollock chin like to my actual bollock chin own guy like what a line I absolutely dog ratchet.
Ragro sort cyber bully off the Kinalgent for James Worth cup Chapman.
Is that what the first compliments like?
Yeah, you shouldn't get this if grander if we now they're cheap we Hugh. So there's MGM 3 nod sheho.
Oh, so good.
Had the Yanzi rad. Áine tá tú cóháilíonn is a bhí riú. Thank you, Gurmín Wagan Angie. James, tan cuma earth, tá bhfuil tú achtaréis rave agal maris gra.
So grand where Morris Gray is in Parches Fire Dashin. Yeah, because it's not only Lanana, it's like, and McKinsey, vision Kadur Macayu and Gandhi shin like her and pod or whatever. It's like Gandhi like that's one time thing. And it's the go and to be real, whatever, like gosh, like jazz, whatever, nice little compliment, whatever. Whereas this is like Niwanker Ragro to come work to a grave, but Gamean come art Gamean to a grave and Tamer Fod. Shanae Rod is fire being trapped shin.
Yeah. You don't got the chat. Can see and comment of you doing.
No, I think Tisha tracked farfa aton agus gurmíle maigad.
Should have got as far definitely go much real.
Oh, Kevin Gade, absolutely.
Oh yeah, yeah. Keense, Shnai can't fair, yeah. Ni bhíonn se ag raves, okay? Ní is amsa cin chum of harm hates raves. Tá me se le cup pint cún. Se me so. Ní sam cecho mé mag. I back Idermas labo agus bíon cumarm go just go stumble on Max rave. I need Sam. But I tell you one thing. Gurmíle mágad an té an tatar sin staach, but tá me tógeal mo skincare routine an darídanis.
An rud faoin duine seo mai nach bééis éisteach le seo mar ag tú an trácht an dúirtíd Tá méid fólam Gaeilge agus éistem leat beag nach gach lá.
Tá great.
So,
No,
shout
tá
out.
mis Tá actually hós
Agus
sé seo támuid gafa leat, so gur míle maigad is bheith géisiir linn agus gur míle maigad
66.7% gon phodchraoladh gafa leat.
Quick maths is oh my god. An rud is fair is mission thing in mínig na raves could just mold on am like we miss ag techno bar like in sin like seachtainí hun could you like a quick hugger margin
sin
deadly crack Izakaya and Malaklia just crazy Fima so another Harley was Goroma ag Huema hun drama ekel snabby agus bhí cinna muid cairde ar mar fuirtan. No, éiste crowd again.
No, is the problem. But shut down iche is Hugh Carr hold my even real. Ma ag drama san Abbey Theatre rivineach ma ag techno house.
No, tá diverse. Ní héis na fleann a bhí agam. An fleann a bhí agam was ma bula suas le cinna muid cairde nó scáil Ife at what he got at the fear why me le seach blian na sé na blian in fi mit sa head drama and all scholar hell like this is weird she's a day one agus chuimiid agus mit an ekel kindar good carja ella a visa drama sin a bhí hunnavé a drama snabi so obviously caiimiid an takead thuirtá so chéimiid an drama in tamai agus an sin jean le ling tá kosher go bhí oging ar buad inis must my like chat lane and we were like what agus tá like pub an liffy in my like agus is bled but just tá like Swiss stair on agus got like is chat tavern and I'm caring it so we were like absolutely both party 100% so chuimiid sin agus bhí cracker doon agus an sinna go dóigh go chlog bhí just there's thingy man chun dul le haid boogie and sinna facail bhain do such it chun dul le haid boogie. And I was like, all right, yeah, cool. Like, Ryan Mitchell, or if I tumble bug or whatever, you know, we'll see what the crack is, whatever. So, language and just language, Gaeilge language, Izakaya, Malaklia, where, in Cahar, Agus is etch techno, like, it's just like non-stop, it's like in Tam Ravad. Agus damage and like a tree log, Lenny tree imagine. It was deadly, absolutely deadly.
Tell you one thing, good thing nach Romishan, the na bags in my hule, he's a marutini.
Gucci bags atá go James.
Tá éidirm sinna chlóisteáil Tá éidirm sinna chlóisteáil mar ní choclaat ihe mar sin bhil go riú an gáiliú. Tá a gahan duna ahan pob an gáiliú ní rud a bí éagsú ní rud a bí uair meála go se beag. Sin rud exciting. An dó gro do ihe sin cos ihe cloisisin tú faoí like scanan no like ihe vínig like
Áine side note okay the monte cap roll Hugh bug go gada ní
Ní shit all galu man just raw tá rudí sort like exciting fi cahar ní smó
side note
Ní hiigem clúisteáil go dé tá James red off
you know what obviously tá muné a chlúisteáil go mu géirí sean so bit go Hugh gé dégin ní shave you know. He wants to settle down. Yes.
No, Thomas have a track cat in it. Yeah. Hugh, toss the gate on the street. Yeah.
You know, Tama Giri and Sean agus me chart hig 26 inis imliana so
to recovery theory ma ngalid like
yeah
tá sé anhaile hig the Botox
well fucking
Botox yallerm. You lads, come on.
It's like was on 2 phone deal on Hugh Mel. Apparently that's how I'm saying.
3 for 2 deals.
To the Kinsey gone to James to the skincare so obviously talk ratchet.
I eat skincare with James.
Sorry, go malashgal Kaihu Ishka or my counts as skincare. I can't help it. Níhiglam chuid leis. Apparently the cracking an jazz agam sin rud a dúrlam rivet will crack in my hugam like das
cracking my hugam. Cracking my hugam virtue good.
Angus stop.
But sin whoever the fucking you.
James, all right.
Okay. No. Fucking holding on to this. No, been cracking his arms to sorrow though could be maintained. So yeah.
You knew why I'm Satan or B.
No,
beam some more beetroot.
Yeah,
Agus am go Morocco mlíana so be má fá níos tá.
Ooh.
Tí enú Morocco.
I don't know, just there's the gober go should go Morocco is my come in.
go fall na extensions agus na fiaclúra.
Yeah.
Fi leis an eile Morocco?
Sinna Turkey.
Turkey though, yeah.
Sílam den chuid is smó, té ní go Turkey leis.
Yeah, I think Turkey.
Na boob jobs.
Well, Neil boob job be y'all or James. I just want to let everyone know.
No.
James to the Hudge boobs
He's
gone.
all real.
Nice.
Yeah, all natural.
I'm a perky size B.
Hugh, I'm going to go James
Painful,
really
you know?
in a like what's he doing at teacher car? I'm going to really in a sort involved like hundreds. I win in leis an obair. You're like really like part of the crew, part of the ship, you know.
Yeah.
Croch hart leis na boile forne ela an lá dollar siranish flow, being to genu yoga, Pilates low. Harkard.
Yeah, not Jen Jarmid or on Who Stuck With You, you know, James.
Yeah.
You know, some Virginia it in the OGs.
In the bad times.
In the bad times.
Some say
in the goods.
Go in my lánach and rúpanis agus go.
Oh my god.
You know, some say go capture romhainn that blianta, you know.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
James.
Yeah. Ní even only to the intern is worm, which is great.
Oh my god, what a concept.
I know. I'm a part of the workforce.
I'm a part of the workforce. I'm like, arts.
Oh, tá má fáil. Tá má fáil sean, you know, tá earn Pilates with you know, check them out gun cracking
to the creases Pilates, I would say
way in the mochochan way in the raves of fathers my god yeah.
I don't think that dóig gets no
Pilates. Jam that Ivari. Just not gleam that my Morocco.
No, not let the hall. Just not ni eki muchu. La in shocking shun.
You're not shocked.
You're not shocking. Higgling shni hanu.
Yeah.
You much get clingy,
right?
I swear.
I
don't know. No,
be my aiming at sea logs. Be Floyd because the backup.
Be do genuine and show bia as and links now. Be much genuine.
Be my customer was at Lewis Capaldi on music video go. Get out there, forget you, man. There's a garage that wham. I just
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is this a Lewis Capaldi and group came around?
Like so much go like hela ekal. Ranch winish than Cade Viella.
Yeah.
Couple or with my so more listen.
I know, ní tarlinn se rá vinnic, but nish all of a sudden. It's shocked na Gaeilge, sinna rud ton. Shocked na Gaeilge chat to us.
That's a turtle Gaeilge munch couple or.
Yeah. So to leiscalógin inis le hela ekal as opposed to just mishe ag dul sheer go Gaeilge and causing mischief and then chart na wall reach le ha
agus fá COVID agus tú COVID go dine.
Ní hog me se COVID than you be. Ní hé me and then I swear on it, please. Let the hall. Neuro-ain, what do you call it? Neuro-ain symptoms arm. I was clean as a whistle. A can't fui gal he Gaeilge. Caimage Lord fui because an tam journa go much able to show a half at like he should be all la high kosher breath last agov. Agus neuromasha and on avail her. And I'm sure Groshan punch it all war Doniche that neuro ending and on Kelleru gan on. But either in clean you because either in the obvious heartbreak like a Jim Ravine Niche.
Yeah, I hate you queen actually. Which lasted a piece of fod in his camera. Yeah, it was a class.
Shit. Really hoping to make a crap.
Marlo much lack my vi cara Ellelin a detchel oalia lua. Honest good joke lash of a kosher so good. Shout out Rory Egan.
Yeah.
Which dog shell London lua on good joke lash of Ellen. It's Ryan Carter just go shóisialta no will James.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Honnig sé so drocham was so wocht so máisteach go ihir in the heden Geraveling. Was that just Geraveling? No, it was a Daniela Alens Gadian Green.
Go mo leisciil. Bhí si etal má an leis sin.
Yeah, fair.
Bhí Hugh sin a gramal an lá sin agus bhí me se gar an fónra. Mo se cóbrona na Thig le cars agin a bhelin agus bhí Hugh sin like, nah, it's on holiday, woo!
Let's
Not a
go to the
care in the
beach,
world.
let's go
Yeah.
get away. What you gotta say?
Sun dead huns out.
Oh my god. Oh my god. No, I really wish Grumman on dull. Because obviously we should have hand on the Burgutch Garja and Shin, the Argutch Garja and Shin, you know, a landing even my Gary, the small ama kahula, thing is Bralum just to ama to see, you know. Totally no ulterior motives. Agus the no Vima an bro nach Roman on dull. But what he father go like are Jane like ro kaka on? Like was there like, you know, ro mashuhan on? Like I feel like Kane size kosher bread la on.
So chuig meáin is James Sta an teachtain sin go áras na Gaeilge fi muid Steve in shoulder radio rira agus dúirt óil si bhí máscan and stuff for Sta and start James Arthur and no, like tá máscan ogah bhí couple of fairy light in arja. So James gan enach sin cúis agus dúirt killing go se caca doing ach ní war se caca doing, but tú hat bhí íhall mai gon bhí na hibrethe tí arsan bhil Inta jazz, Inta fina, og si jochanis ar náisce dom héanas de James agus lig si de beidir na ceartún bheith rás ar lig si de James pianta ag a hain. A bhhairtú beidir tá cad agam pinna. Agus bhí íhall maigann as a nation chuin muid ag an roisin dú. Agus an sin níach me James rinne se an Irish goodbye agus díir leis riháide gartar héna clog imagine. So ní roí go dúnach sinna James.
Nope. Yeah, near. No. I've eaten mom, so agus near on cocaine meal on my there's on Shan uncle eating is cheating. So just it's just alcohol one me on agus shouldn't need to be cat. So stopping it. Because like there's well Irish boy me all go rins all time agus ran my team am hain agus vi ma fá buganí músí agus dus ma searhom dal so vi kiel am Tá ma fá kiel mo is no you know
I mean agus tan is le tiispan art, you know.
I know
an red le James na chuní me as bhí se go bra as an sin chuní me a ríise ní go bombings.
Just
Ní ro go bra.
Strahalt.
Bhír cilín sort é chorú saró sin dú. Bhí sort bhí bonding a dóráin sin idir merta goibh sin gro se a cuiidú lena chéile. Duliste had there as fun her and security, you know.
You're birding 45-degree angles.
Just got a línalar cheile cos le just triantánig siúil seach go tín Pope. No. Well, to the sasta clutch grow you might go, but I wish Garoma and on dull agus Kane I see a male one that mission. I wonder could you an mail in crack na gas ala or whatever on.
Ní sam mail wach de hula ácinn ala níos.
Oh, I just got that.
Stad dan Wagushin, please. Stad dan Wagushin.
Vi gragyal. Dinne de gragyal. Give it gragyal.
Hold on a sec.
Any hishin.
Dúspáir ní hééis a d sin an dinge se bh Lord faoi mó gragáil. Gus darrod dinge do mú gragáil na. Níor much fear cunne. That's the
Ní mu tasú seéis.
Ní mu tasú seéis.
No. Dead and buried ví se cunne, but yeah. Me all actually scale gramver vi dinne a hosma gober le garas na strategic ad. Dúirtí go síiste é caribú láháin. agus go bhí si bralútí hir go an Colin seo agus bhí si rá animan fashion agus sin dúirtí ó sin a Hugh agus dúas me lethe cóhacha tú hiúríist agus dúirtí caribou is me se Sean á cinna bhí sé an ná an dáta sin agus dúirtí ná bhí sé definitely a dáta.
They're Michelaithe because why you're one higilators. I think if you might law which higilators. Agus hunty she heart ag thuirtí like an craigar ar marim agus dúirtí you're my Gary fáilsa you're my Gary to aberhalógs to ar de cunne agus dúir well neama ar cunne but obviously
few the onlookers of the garcurve heel sheets and growth to her cunne. Now here in sin 100 mealler that can do an sort dynamic divert near tashi is see a cable like it's like doing mata sort chemistry
yeah
chemistry rodagan
like doing a síogaí bag a grog float a temporary
cute I get you tired.
It's romantic characters, James. That's a real cute the síogaí gra.
Well, ní cheapan aontaine tá má gobal go romantic man mé bhí obviously bhí mar dús aigen sin bhí si mó ar dáta le Valentine's Day ar 14th of February bhí meiste i gobal agus bhí marrá le chunne níl héit gur dánsrá.
cuatú a rital chun your man hóisialta soganne lá le Valentine as chu me seoiste a group chat agus go dé mar Rachel James ach níl le down is gra James ó Fáilte fi trí.
Agus bhí mis rágrithe ar mo Valentine's date le échuiriste chuimiid go dtí bíal like really jazz franca in molecular etro bhí like killam an creefin sin ag an am cearna agus bhí like it was the place to be but a handle the table like literally so mis is trí lád bhí an chuimi just ja go dtí table agus bhín table sa cool don bíalan and literally when I say a handle the table was couple literally a handle chenaku was just in your daddy nar cunny ag dul má like béle and bhím ding fully just see sin agtá the lads like ag genú tosh or who was gonna last or not. He was like yeah ten lachin he's into her but she's not into him and not Neil Eagrán sin the shit since got a go mai whatever ring which in the read he so sin Fim se angry or Valentine's.
That's a great Valentine's activity. My Shaheen, it's soon going she couples Elisus.
Yeah, exactly. When you heard with law, you heard with Swissig Lanun. Come on, Ashgal. She does not like you. Just by the way, come into the Janish. Neil ain some icky on it. In the ain car. So yeah. But Kaimage Foster Alu tá muid an because I think be Sean and seachting it's fair le tomul anyway agus agus muid chat was seach na Gaeilge tan Gaeilge chat rap Paul Mescal an time not in Bratjar and Carpid Jarg what do you call it having you to a fecha like million dingish which is crazy absolutely crazy card the captive so if we like near Honic should cheve because obviously Kedra the Yarn is like what I like ní to
yeah and Shinder Lan se right tá Gaeilge crunige like ní rosig dinner week or session lifa semi lifa like bhí se lifa hil me ar Carpa Jarg.
Yap ma chiaapam go ró se scanan bliantí hon agus bhí couple focail Gaeilge ga sa scanan sin and then mar deirt a hen ring se Gaeilge don chat social agus bhí se
chuis go Gaelscoil.
Yeah, chuis go Gaelscoil.
Golóir daoine tá leor cardide agumsa a chuige Gaelscoil ach narúsade ó bhís de scoil is dearn siad nes ní muoine agam néimab Gaeilge leor ach tá siad like bhín se acu but fair play do gur castra sús as cór camera agus ag microphone tá mé cinse nar thug Kathleen Rowado agus run si jobínta gur agluir but suppose fair play do go nearin sin agus is mainom sin eáil because mar dear siar mai can na ceisní chu siar ná ar bhile scanan an trí Gaeilge a sin go sé clás ru ag mar sin
Well, tá se single ríis agus tu de cuairtí dinge a gréir an tre. So, dáró se a Gary chuiriste.
Tá me sé actually team feiceáil grád trá. Because tá just daoine rálam chuirteacha. Is mar rá ní me gera méall ní hastíún more rejections bheith televised. Má fáil noch acu. So
Sílam gur chéirt an mrte go chuirteair.
Mis
a dá
Mis James bit a double date dochráte. Fé mar jinge hó mai. Listen yet in the Emra and the Bert Mra violin.
Yeah. But what just a fucking frolical heart at the trogs.
Frolical.
Skip on heart.
Frolical heartless na síogaí gra.
Yeah. Like it shouldn't be like Katy Perry fireworks across the background.
James, near Chainter and Clarkson, it's like your cartage color, Nam's Chitching Ra la dingy as opposed to Chitching Ra la touch carja.
It's mylum an concap. It's mylum gur dinna lífa a sort of cuidiú le dinna ná a couple of focal acu. Jim gur like bonus intahation from the Gaeilge because by only were they gonna go blend ortwi.
Yeah. Agus fast is giving them their hirsch the ma and press ratchets reduce. Agus just we should it's cuirta dingy le Gaelic foam or whatever and all the crack. I just talk about echa like a having us and Gaelic there dingy a row Gaelic acu just feeling like well there's ni higling it much Gary curse jar but the page link marker wool Gaelic cooking kind of thing. So yes it's concept my a but and going through Shahar James I think good cartage James
no
I
think Bichard go Brendan Gleeson go seach.
Oh,
Tá Gaeilge gantig Brendan Gleeson. I mean, vi sé cloiste gom hanna ach just like the blasál in ige. Vi sé Gaeilge classy ige. Let's go.
Tá sé whole Gaeilge though. Like the Brendan Gleeson is like because like the is Shanchar Ceol tradition day is like I think you're near the Shah documentary in Tumulahun like flea like Ceol tradition to agus bhil just like accessions with the machine. Sure been checked to check Shan just the and Banshees of Sharon.
Yeah.
Agus hain atá ag Shanyama like so agus ar an late bín Shanyam. So yeah, it's far ho Gaeilge like bhil intas arm nach ro Gaelic ige.
Sílim just gur an chapter at this far na grosid ag bhí sé níos táchtaí grosid beidir ag gradam is asna na fiú can America just grow an urge and Gaeilge ag gradam sasnach ihe mar vi sin rud vi special I think the Gwini Echo.
Agus gurú na Banshees on best British film go Kate Vingade in airing vi sé dente. So vi sweet fresh like gurú sin.
I know. But vi sé sin Dirt Martin McDonough look vi an winu like cholach the bratna but yeah it's gan an air nach é.
Da cos le go is chlár sasnach é Father Ted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like technically 10 carton engine, but there's thing the lads go over Rod Fuya agus he was like just Marial gur will scan and sitcha in etch again ni Kaelin gur bass and etch and a like or gur like he's like the Martian is not a Mars film like in scanning the Martian la Matt Damon ni scanning Mars a but yeah, no, there's a Marialler and Wayne your fad. But it's go fáil an Hojas the fact and the diact shin. I just I think a buzz off in Gaelic. It's just it's the place to be.
To hain sinar of leis an alt inta sin a scree to an chapten show. And Gaeilge co sexy in chapten show because obviously we do who are muggets there and Kwai or Joe Dahay.
Would you stop that there now? Would you start that shin?
Shameless plug.
Yeah, never. No, so we actually grammar because so harsh grammar really had like fucking ages, and I was like Neil actually couldn't go Ken Doi Shaw Yanu. I was much like Stanu or like screen blank like Jai Womaja just very sweet like headlines away. Because we just lad Macklin was just like just criú running out and the sweeter and the ruddy bugger in the Asian or whatever, and I just grandma god like game soundtrack. I sound so cool. Like a fighting game soundtrack. It's just I just fucking
Good thing with a Gaeilge sexy reach because
otherwise, just because then Chang is sexy, it's like hey let folly Hugh rare ruddy harv and nerdy. Bhí má musca dín cuiigelthug ar maidinar an saharnig gurk wrestling and hear or elimination chamber. But Gaelic, tasty Gaelic, num. But so scream man
Num.
yeah, I'm eating it up.
You should not do
Yeah, I'm eating it all up. Num. My here fada. Num. Tasty Gaelic. Yeah. Come on, like, Dude, I don't know game fast requiring. That's okay. That's some
bei fetish ASMR den kin sin a loop.
Num. Tasty Gaelic. Num. Sin tedal an phodchraoladh sin. But the so scríomh má an alt and bhí má like kind of just smuitiúr headline. I was gonna read running out cost like Irish is sexy again. Sin ked headline of Yogum. But then bhí má cant bhí like and Scannon and Colin Kuhn, which is decisively not a sexy film and ein Corby whatsoever. I was like Scannon ho bronach agus ho like gallant like Scannon gallant or whatever, and I was like, you can't use the word fucking sexy line I think Scannon or whatever. So they're not cool in that. Agus inish feckim like imagine like headlines whatever like a land ding torch just rather the jazz because my fear wave do but the thing is like it was always cool and I was like well yeah I know that like Tessa position more about such a seal it's good and like the McCree is the not even necessarily good wension but like ta Gaeilge nachhfuil ho such a like seal the halter or whatever seal to like a trúgan agus like dingy mitigation pod agus but like gohfuil is like go like podrealty file Gaelic agus test like go like ceoltar file Gaelic agus test like an made really cool ter file Gaelic but like some mainstream or whatever like gra heel whatever it's like chuig million dingy to in Aaron agus or sé million dingy in Aaron agus na million haar leor like ní hé rud Aaron ar Gaelic running at the smuitiú a ravinnig gí curhannig is gan cha mugs and it's a whole more of elfable agus Paul Mescal Lorche or red carpet so we might just kind of like I was starting to on half but I'm just like please read past the headline like the hall like the like little at the hall
Hahan can lean lumsta
yeah.
Oh, like, and it was Nima read like or like Nikita like chastity we like pitchforks or whatever, like being like kind to fucking like but yeah, no, just talk about Fodger. So just the thing would be if the Oglar that thought like the thing on it was like thing of when it was like oh, it's always been cool and you've just been too blind to see it. And I was like, Talag and Gaelic done Altshaw. I was like that.
Sheelin she'd gur Irish or who now will buckle Gaeilge. It's just that's her 2 cents gone really clue faoin seal.
Yeah.
Just we mission count as we mission like Mark Drake and Josh and we're like it's more the coolest.
So yeah. No bhí má ho buach as an fragger where se agus rin an cólacht rin what do you call breaking out pictures ring shouldn't like share done alter see sacuhain foster or Twitter sacuhain. No, I'm telling you.
Why you?
And broadlas. Yeah, no. Tá just go to sense. Tá happy. What a jarter much is the Gaeltacht.
Comac for happy.
Tá happy. But it gaps in this like so like tan Gaelic like coolness like tan mage like in gab the game like afro more inish in like and made stuff of image of fackling Gaelic like a many small like scanning either through in Gaelic inish na Clara had telefish or whatever like how happened to a Chucky Suez inish
Sheelam me wadni small Clara had telefish agus scan on tree Gaelic at the súil go spragging she just an pobl le Gaelic on them Sheelam go me get to bug the chunker ag sin like nar ecin siad a lehead de Paul Mescal atá go like current agus cool agus let's face it garanta.
Yeah.
It's bra ahan den é so
Mhm.
just tasú go mé dine óga gurí go you know.
Yeah.
Tá bohar like an ús like there's ná a feicáil there's ná an gáil ag na friggin Oscars
Yeah.
le scon an síogaí so is soús go na daoine tá gear bheith duna scon is bheith gear chlárachaí na mu a hairrás mu a chuir na chlárachaí sin agus i sin
Ní aren't tú joke sin real Hannah.
Never, never, ever, ever.
Toxic trait number one, James.
Hey.
Guy you're joking.
James, it goni
Hey.
grind all. The
Hey.
grind set never stops.
má bhín na joke funny úr amháin bhín se funny dís
Yeah.
just saying
I'm just putting it out there.
just raw you know
Well, I think faster like is like vi nerder to hain shaw like feel like the agus cap and shit nachwil more nachwil like ard level like European Parliament level Gaelic aku that nar charti for a lord whatever but like we just started like K like you know grosha tumalo lord Paul you know fisha like lord Gaelic real to whatever agus you know rock and shift a couple fuck but then like for whatever it's go homeland like fein winnie like ta dingy on like ta wad is Gaelic aku na happen shit agus I'd say badger leis an fishin and this leis an aglav sin go vaki shit like Hagnam just bun trail us agus like ni ve ein like ni think be genu like maltrat or mod Gaelic na ni ve think be genu like you know Brennis or to think you just saster Gaelic job so look what you jane spenny small thingy Gary Lord agus Gaelic pod
yeah
see
Gary very good go Gary yasu is a lesson chance
na is the chance what the guy that's good
maar phone might be fucking cusna
Frolical
frolical
Shiogi Gray
Síogaí gro sin ceáim was líontas fear le fada dó
you know I think your character in the curse chat is the Tinder bio go me you know ta ag lorg dunne a dogan Shiogi Gradu
I can be your Shiogra baby.
I could be your Shiogra baby. I think Enrique Iglesias
Keep the gra on the streets and a shiog in the sheets.
Jesus. Oh my god.
Hey. We should just a chin.
Nero Shanshin.
Shiogi gra so we like
Harby.
Can't make it to the master from James.
Boltus him grow mass. Hooking her James.
Hey,
So
the
yeah,
mass in the tal of lot so
Yeah. Ari James Bot. He's trying his best, God love him. No, it's a great lefagal. Agus tan méid rudi leis an Gaelic teacht suas castle ruthing at Womajingi dul haig in seachtainí seo na ard eis conrin na Gaelic.
Arcurnia.
Mohin se an professionte. Like
Yeah.
I don't know what a saku came which hain. Like I think Gapan should like it's like like tree light or radio rera like shin like yeah shin you know Kaisha go should an professional
technically card.
No, Tasha Cart is
Technically.
like Rory Majinga, yeah. But it's
Yeah.
I think it happens that the tagging shin like a degree of professionalism.
Oh yeah,
Agus go much an classy with mission.
Well, ta Hugh go suita Hugh ni akimisha in my car just lats and family go in the car duel. Ni akimish plus a Hugh suit foil.
I think Gamesha Bishop Erin Talu. I think it'll blow your minds.
Even going to color out Talu a Gairy.
Oh no, be my Gurka jazz. Be my gallant.
Okay, good.
But I think it nivesh because like obviously near Williams to live share whatever. It's always very cash, always very you know streetwear. Even few ignoractus or whatever. And their Virginia show was really like yellow. I was the most underdressed as in true rugging. Agus but nish be man nish suited and booted being Karawat arm, brown shoes. I don't think go aithne of ma or Harvey.
Bro, fan what broke up down kinda tar suit?
Oh, like a kind of a navy,
Okay.
kind of like with red. James.
Okay.
Flocky se leis.
Okay.
Nabi ein o glart.
No,
Tá
tá
an
brom.
fashionable.
Ich hab mal gesucht do bhí an as got to
Oh.
go down.
No. No, don't worry, James. Ta ma an classy. Le much steel. But yeah, I don't think a guy not now of our Harvey. Sean plan of you underdress for everything. So then they're to art to call you. It's like, whoa, hey, thing is Shaw. But which of a sil more lash, which of a sil listen R dash.
Ní mis riú an hanna bhí tosa ach tá meú le cardlin na síam na Gaeilge agus dul hiag rud ag an uair le chéile, taithí uair mar chud den grúpa gananta seo agus tá meú le chéile ítá bheith gan ní just ahan gomáin.
Mar ré a couple
amsa. Yeah, so soon on to Saharan, but yeah, ni bhé mána Áine broner, but
it's not right. Keeling sin gohfuil seamra go hain.
Níl. So níl ní smó.
What?
Tá bronam rálaat. So tá óstan in ag glacu le leor Eagrán, so fu me se gléich rá an meach se cear leor de reinhin an seomra libse agus ní me chu nóra, so tá housemate agat, tá roommate agat.
Well, ma just the family room or Ken Doy was her.
Yeah, Sheila go. Sheila go lavi. Sheila peidir go shift she right lavi agus go lavi dusa.
Oh my god.
Oh, be ray the spoonog war, Hugh.
Spoonog war, not about this weren't Spoonog war.
No, I'm just gonna spoon bit.
Oh wow, pillow princess, all right.
I'm a sick of him as spoonog war. Like nom cormiocht agus the cad when you have my spoonog dog Scotty.
Pincha jazz of
my passion to fish out.
Passion to fish out.
Michigoni and Spoonog more.
Really? This is mean a Spoonog war.
Yeah, they gra, yeah.
Can life for Riley Killian.
Been to Gurkos like jetpack bug slab.
I know where the way la are just again.
Yeah.
Been my eye just a garker drims again.
Shinko grammar. Oh my god.
Yeah.
No Michigoni being the Spoonog war.
Actually, no, I get the version. You can't even remember Spoonog more because then need in Grug you got to start.
No, she them quaiga. She them Ryan and Fragra.
I think your character Rota her Swiss or in Bala. I guess.
Yeah, we should go both Rune, Lane or Dash.
Rune score and the headers of link.
Rune talking na Gart da dingy seal na Gaeilge legs le yanu or KH and Spoonog war as KH and Spoonog bug.
Exactly.
Perfect.
All in favor say aye.
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 Which is nice.
During when the eye Laroon so good as he ran with the Viella.
Listen, Ardash Na Seansálaithe is going.
My air would saw Orda. Capuchin go do its holona. So then it was like Gurmagi.
Chunta much Hartig Strancher and we'd be like Gurmina Maigat. Gurmina Maigat is actually right. And they'd be like Chaos. I think of it in Smuichu Mai. But yeah, no, being mission the grammar and Spoonog war faster. Because it's teddy bear all war me. So just because Marialler and Gruig need Marialler and with that.
Well, Ben Labby with the chain Ihijahina.
Okay.
Kentucky, James and Shahamola Hurt. Ihijahn.
Nice. What a dream.
Knowing James, ni veis a labby, ni veis na colú can you more weren't he?
Ni ve mission.
Actually, no, James and Kate the veis a labby. Baron Lee. Yeah, Baron Lee is took with the rash again, Nick up work like.
Yeah, because they were really
in a good shot three.
They might like dehydrated his games for it, so they might get rehydrated like Guinness. So
exactly.
Couple of
coffees.
Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
couple of coffees to keep cup bedger.
Actual coffees.
Actual coffees, yes, of course. Fake coffees, Steen.
No.
Never. But no be Jerry Shocking den ska hugging.
Yeah.
Agus be jasle a hanning a fecal. I know Kate tag le a lahar. Dar good courage. But be an classy. Be much like glaze jazz. What do you call it? Been fresh fade arms my fa bar gruige.
Be fresh roots of come on, Miss ingredient and Jardine calling.
Ooh la la.
Yeah. How much come on while you're working in?
Yeah, exactly. Been the pics, been the grams. Sin rud stawachty. Ní hen Gaeilge sin gram and rud stawachty.
Yeah.
Cheergan gram, cheergan anam. Sin rud the germs go ní.
Sin anyone phodchraoladh.
Sin anyone phodchraoladh.
An urgent potential of you know.
I think aber nom but sé that.
You know Gaeilge venish. It has to.
I'm just going to bring all diva noch dam go just nom but im khlusa agus be ma crida agla noch. Sin a vez.
Ach man when tau art I wish growing you nom much close.
Hey.
We bring no dogum sa rare Gerhani James Huggin agus dúirte ní me gurí an phodchraoladh show yenu living so to me ro graihe give it sport.
James, how could you?
And you know what?
You should do you know Misha actually on.
We made co-curry and I was like fear kind of realised like ní roast go me co-grown-urchin aglarm go gur jar leis an phodchraoladh show a riú agus dúirte sin Lynn bhí Misha's tosa like Reverson he was like yeah, kind of does sport and
oh my god. So glad like, that you were like I didn't realize so much.
I don't be couple bring load grand or I'm flipping chatting show.
Yeah, tá cring you fós like héidir phodchraoladh show
no. What do you call it? Yeah, vi couple bring load an at agus ner wasco to imagine then a farg art or James. You know car in there being logic other thing and then
yeah,
you're like,
so we may bronakas or crusta because imagine I'm strategic Jer and tricolua agus dúirte Sean tag on journey the anime live real and then gushi mes him I grummed actually create me here broke a heart Sinead. I was like what like how did he ditch us?
You feed your dreams mental lads
yeah vi
COVID
yeah vi bring out captain
an ashta album
it's capped to gur rummaging more grummage more Winston agus Alex Nick new girl
no yeah we didn't go vi mar Cici on new girl for when you got bommache agus and shin Dahri Shiv agus Winston agus Nick Vian agus
mis Cici as new girl just brands is going on me or I mean
well vi much er malach of fan the galley agus him on mis Shasanishke the himpechte vi mis mar Schmidt agus him go James mar Cici agus hiring my Cici a masan ishke like no bother with my co-lodger agus a fanach have na hauna or cabeat gromad vi a merch of she mar Winston as Nick agus veikshiv Akio car an gar a ví sanishke agus leman car mas sanishke agus him on mudjan codel den val go féle gali no bother so yeah,
Akio car sinna tang ve or ma head walk actually agus
Ke nach akma on freaking sinna tiel Ke nach akma tiel
Akio gotcha den loan Akio
Good Akio good
Yo Akio
Akio casa de jogar jo esperamos
Phew
esperamos o Florida
esperamos o Florida oh my god stop absolutely stop right Caiimid teúchar leis an plaiciacht seo leis an meá seo gur míle maiid a géisi leis na seanslaí ríis tá chóá go ráis de cheile Cos critan muid healan ar napú muid an pád a hafa heile so muid sestan is cruid jabta agran úr churma an seo agus ar radio rirá. Mat ga muid amsú in main hosta táid ar na seanslia ar Instagram, na seanslia ar Twitter, na seanslia ar YouTube agus go leáil fís gáanta dargad Áine agus méid gaiir a bhí genta an agran seo. Cumáid ar Spotify agus nuirta ggurcha Spotify héaglaat an fís eáil. For Hannig Mishrud in nuacht, and it was like two Johnnies to do first video podcast in Ireland on Spotify, and I was like, the chance the year there's. I think not. Virginia v Genue, way before the Birch Yanni. So Higla Emmy Lock of Fachiga. That's translated them now. Go away. I'm sure in the mind host more anywhere or Twitter, anywhere, or Instagram, anywhere or TikTok. But the guy James I'm sure in the mind host that more flartach or Twitter, flartach or Instagram, flartach or TikTok. That's the guy Mahain I'm sure the man host that time out more Hugh Carrier or Twitter, Hugh Carrier Instagram, who's just great Hugh Car or TikTok. Nish plugs then mates and feckin' plugs which is great. There's a dog ratchet. I thought Lauren can well get a Jeremy. So Kev plug is in Cahurla de mi Marta and Cabbage Cabaret Tamahain a Genu Grin and Shin agus be Áine agus James question mark Ilahar yes possibly definitely Áine anyway agus possibly James so once the guy chartling agus blue Switzerland bishan crack doi agus and Shin earn hinula jeg de mi Marta Tamich was Melfarste ag genú agran beá den na seanslia seo like genú like world tour it's amazing agran beá den na seanslia chumáid le Gaeilge so béimiid is tí café in Londú le radio Fáilte an sin ag seachtainí léine sé seacht whatever BYOB, sorry, Foston, run south is BYOB. So bring your own burlorry. So my thing be laughing guitar will burlaku because never level roared. No, bring your own beer, obviously.
Like Paul Mescal is smooth because it's quite good.
No, because that Gaeilge giga. Yeah, so you no so ni hey burlorry and small.
New Paul Turlap burlor.
Yeah. Higla Paul ticket to Canada was mileage. Or not even ticket to Canada because there's a zero national. Yeah. So my Paul Gary shot. More Fáilte rove.
Co-exclusive co-exclusive so come all.
Yeah, absolutely. Tora hanning agus an sin an seachtainí jeg na mi Marta tá mud ag genú gig le Frederick, which is fucking unbelievable. Tá host asta gur mi mai is much ag féil na galí with her casting an pod ianu bia as Colina or Barks Colina sorry in Leil Frederick so be sin súil ag dá
yeah
Chiaapam so Jenny can go van sin there brain done more Hugh I mean Hugh le tartíir Thig féil na galí agus sin feáil
is Hugh chat is Hugh the winnie chat and la be imlean be Roisin shoige be go leor the exular shield team go bandí go around like it's just like na Kildary's fair go just let vacation leis la park so it's found a couple like
yeah Kev again Bandia good friend of the show what do you call it but yeah no that land really also was and then yeah they just made some gigs looking church so led the hall biggie lane agus Jenny Majar Nihil couple of gigala agru gamwell faster bedger piece and Gaeilge bedger could be yet who knows coming you just stay actually agru it's actually just on us kind of testing Bay, which obviously Jenny Fogru are but Gaji Shin Gurmina Mai vacation well ain't Rodella or ring the German down Flogzella
no shouldn't go back in it
thank God I'm sorry the James Gimmerich nine aside Aussie rules and all fire and like here in the Gujingi Genuine pod so mata ain Aussie rules fans a gay shirtlane and I know you're out there Hickliff James somewhere it's an Austral shouldn't that you will should toss us here come on up I guess just fact James European champion James Golashville who's such an Tajal le piece of crack of yogging but yeah no shin so Gurmila Moig Zotification and Seanslia agus be rash reach and chatting hugging le Eagrán Homlanur leis an cracker fad as nar leis agus le I don't know give scandal I mean a Jenny Heason shin we would never have drama what are we talking about sorry come on let's go never be scandalous Sorry, oh my god. Gurmaid bhfuil géisi agus libh rééis ní seoing a agranar na seachtainí. Slán!
Slán!